Ever wondered why your metabolism seems to slow down as you age? Stay tuned to discover the secrets to revving it up again. Metabolism is the engine that keeps our bodies running, converting food into the energy we need for life-sustaining tasks. Did you know that infants have energy expenditures up to 50% higher than adults? But as we age, our metabolism takes a hit. By the age of 20, our metabolism starts to decline by about 10% every decade. But why does this happen? Nutritionist Lavneet Batra reveals 3 key reasons: muscle loss, decreased activity levels, and hormonal changes. But don't worry, you can combat this slowdown by building muscle, staying active, and fueling your body right. Resistance training, like weightlifting, helps preserve muscle mass and boost your metabolism. Getting enough sleep is crucial. Lack of sleep can slow your metabolism, but this can be reversed with proper rest. Eating protein-rich foods can also help. The thermic effect of food means your body burns more calories digesting protein. And don't forget green tea. Despite its taste, it can increase your metabolism by 4 to 5%. Keep your engine running smoothly.